Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to add a watermark in your PowerPoint slide. First of all, go to search option and open the PowerPoint. Select the blank presentation, then go to view and select slide master. Then again go to insert, select shape, select rectangle. Okay, shape has been selected. Now again go to insert tab and select the picture. This device, you can select the picture that you want to add as a watermark in your PPT slide. Okay, select that image, insert it. Now adjust the image according to shape size. Image has been adjusted according to shape. Okay, now again go to home page, home tab, and shape outline. You have to select no outline. Now there is the option below shape effects, format shape. You can check, see format shape. Click on that option. Select the first option, fill and line. Click on the fill option. Select the third option, picture or texture fill. We have to change the transparency level. Here we can change the transparency level. Transparency level we can set it to 60%. Okay, we have set the transparency level. Done. You can see the watermark has been added. Now again go to slide master tab and close master view. You can see. Now again when we will add the new slide, automatically in PowerPoint watermark will be added. You can see. Add few more slides. You can see. If you like this video, if you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.